We have made it to our original destination, which was Detian Waterfall. And this waterfall actually sits on the border of China and Vietnam. So on one side is China and on the other side is Vietnam. And this was kind of the original destination of the trip. This is where the trip was supposed to end. We'll probably take a couple of more days to see what's around here. But yeah, this is, I mean, but you can see though that this is going to be a place that's full of people, because look, this is the tourist center, and the tourist center is massive. The parking lot is massive. There are tons of buses, tons of cars. So this is going to be very different from the first couple of videos. You're going to see a lot of people in these videos. That is impressive. It's definitely the widest waterfall I've ever seen. I wish the boats weren't here. But man, look at that. I mean, it's not just the one. There's ones over there as well. And yeah, this marks the border between China and Vietnam. I'm not sure, maybe this side. I mean, this is definitely China over here. But like I saw, like there's some horses and things like that. There's a marker over there. Maybe that marks the border on their side. And there's some people over there, and there's, yeah, like a horse and some other boats and things, but you can't really see that clearly. But man, this is what you're really here for. Just look at that. Yeah, if you were into waterfalls, this part of China is really where you want to be, because just about everywhere that we've been so far in Guangxi and also in eastern Yunnan, it's pretty much just cave, waterfall, valley, mountain, cave, waterfall, 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 waterfall. If you are into this kind of stuff, this is the place to be. This is the area to be in. So go to Guangxi, go to Yunnan, and you'll be a happy person. Whew, again, getting wet today, getting wet. Yeah, the water's coming off the falls pretty good. Yeah. Whew. That is, it's still really amazing though. Yeah, like I said, that's the widest waterfall I've ever seen. Yeah, if you're here and you're wearing glasses or something like that, make sure to bring a little towel or a cloth or something. Because yeah, glasses are basically useless. I can't see a freaking thing. I have no idea if I'm actually filming the right thing or not. Hopefully I got, well, I surely can't miss the river, but let's see. My phone's getting all kinds of wet, so we'll leave it here. Yeah, this is the best view we've had all day. Look at that. You can get everything in one shot pretty much. Man, look at that. There's that little observation tower I was talking about a second ago. There you go. Wow. Look at that. That is it. That is it. So here, like, we've got this transnational bazaar, which is on both sides, or I mean, it kind of straddles the border right here. So you can, I guess, technically cross over into Vietnam for the bazaar, but it's been closed off because of tense relations. It says because in order to protect the travelers here, we've closed it off. So yeah, can't go in. So I think that marks the end of our journey. So I bought 2 souvenirs on this trip, which is unheard of in my life. So I've got this. It's a little bit more than a pound of coffee beans. Got it for 30 yuan, which is $5, something like that. A little less than $5. Vietnamese coffee. Should be good. It's nice and heavy. It smells great. And then, yeah, we sat down at this coffee. It's called Saigon Coffee. It's a nice, empty looking place, and got some coffee. But let me tell you about this. The interesting thing about this right here is that this coffee, it tastes exactly like one of those like 95% cocoa dark chocolate bars. I mean, it tastes just like dark chocolate to me. It's crazy. It's crazy. As I'm sipping it more and more now, it's starting to taste more and more kind of like coffee, but that chocolate kind of taste is real strong. That's unlike anything I've ever had in the coffee world. That is, I hope that this coffee that I bought tastes like this, because that'd be great. That'd be great. But yeah, got 2 souvenirs. On the next episode of China Road Trip 2019, I'm going to take you along the Vietnam-China border. It's one of the weirdest, wildest, most nowhere places I've ever been. There's so much to talk about, which is why I'm just going to do a video, voiceover of the entire border. I'm very excited to talk about it, and I guess I'll see you then. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you all next time.